Headlines making the afternoon news. Gunman kills triggerman in 2022 Manchester murder. Teen among 4 charged for body found in barrel. Man dies after being hit by 2 cars in St. Elizabeth. Passenger shot during alleged confrontation with police. A passenger was shot during an alleged confrontation with police at a checkpoint at the intersection of Maxfield and Balmoral Avenue on Wednesday night. According to the head of the Police Safety and Enforcement and Traffic Branch, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gary Mackenzie, about 9:15 p.m. on Wednesday, members of the branch, acting on information, conducted a vehicle checkpoint at the intersection of Maxfield and Balmoral Avenue. Reports are that the police saw a Probox taxi motorcar approaching and signaled the vehicle to stop. While they were conducting investigations, the passenger in the vehicle allegedly brandished a firearm and opened fire at the officers. An officer returned the fire and the passenger was shot. A firearm was reportedly retrieved. The St. Elizabeth police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of a man who was allegedly hit by 2 motor cars on the Whitehall Main Road in the parish on Wednesday. The deceased have been identified as 65-year-old James Walters, otherwise called Jim Brown, a tire repairman of Sherika Drive in Whitehall in the parish. Reports are that about 8 p.m., Walters was along the roadway when he was allegedly hit by a white motor car that was overtaking another vehicle. He was then hit by a blue motor car. The police were summoned and Walters' body was seen lying on the roadway. The scene was processed and his body removed to the morgue. The police are appealing to anyone who may have information on the incident to contact the Black River Police Station. A teen was among 4 men charged on Thursday in connection with the discovery of a man's body in a barrel on Beeston Street in Kingston more than 2 weeks ago. The 4 were charged following intensive investigations by the Kingston Western Police, who had reportedly intercepted men who were about to dispose of the body. Those charged are Ramon Massa, all 34, and Jaheim Williams, 19, both from Beeston Street. Andre Reed, 29, a Igler from Matthews Lane, and Akeem Pupasang, 24, a shopkeeper from Charles Street, all in Kingston. The 4 has been charged with murder and conspiracy to murder. No court date was given for the men. It was reported that around 1 a.m. police received information that a man was being beaten to death on Beeston Street. The police rushed to the area and went to a premises where several men fled. The premises were breached and the deceased found, head first, inside a blue barrel with a red shirt tied around his neck and both hands bound with black tape. The scene was processed and the body transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, where it was pronounced dead. Following investigations, the 4 accused were arrested during a joint police-military operation at the said premises. They were jointly charged after a question and answer interview in their attorney's presence.